And how do you see this program providing value to a younger audience like it does at the high school?
Giving people the opportunity to see justice working in real life, I think does a couple of things. One, it lets everybody know early on that the people who are actually in government that are working the justice system care about the system. Things aren't just happening without actual people paying attention to the facts of a particular case and paying attention to what the law is. So they can see that happening. Two, hopefully, and I think that I might talk about this more later, is the opportunity to see lawyers working. Is a nice thing for a younger audience to maybe give them an idea of what can I do in the future.
Aside from the location, how does this differ from a normal trial in the Court of Appeals?
So it really doesn't. What you saw today is exactly what we would do if we were in our courtroom. You saw an actual live oral argument presented by the actual attorneys who are representing clients in the state of Indiana, arguing the actual issues. So there's nothing different other than that we're doing it in a different setting. After the oral argument ended, it is different because we do get a chance to interact with the students, which is really a fun thing. But the actual oral arguments don't differ depending on where we have them. They're the same.
What is your favorite part of this program?
My favorite part is certainly being able to interact with the students. We just had a luncheon with students. You sit with a table of seniors. You ask them what's coming next for them. What are they excited about after high school and that kind of thing. So for me, that's an ability to get out of the office, get out of the State House. You're not really Judge, you're Pete, and you're able to talk to them and hopefully relate to them in a way that's a more personal way, and open up any questions. That's what I tell them is you got an opportunity to ask a judge any question you want. I may not be able to answer them, but you got the opportunity. So that kind of thing. So that's what I enjoy.
I think you know that I'm a graduate of Whiteland High School, 1988. That's way too many years for me to calculate quickly, 30-something. But when I sat in this auditorium back in, I don't know what it was, 1986, 1987, I got to see my first lawyer take the stage, and he was a graduate of the school from who knows how many years before that, talking about his life as a lawyer. That sounds like something I can do. So we're kind of hoping that the same thing happens. I haven't been around long enough on the Court of Appeals. I've only been there for 12 months now to see this happen. But that is, I think, one of our goals is to give younger students an idea of this is something I can do. This looks like a way that I can use my best skill sets to help people, and that is definitely a goal of the system.